water is ready, and you can drink it like this, and it will make your breast to be firm and stand again. The fallen hero to stand up and stand very tall. Okay, you can do this after you finish breastfeeding your baby. Now, when you give birth as an African woman or as a Nigerian or as a Ghanaian, they used to boil this older water. They used to boil it and give you, it flushes out toxins and makes everywhere fresh again. It flushes after bed stains and toxins and everything. And for that one, you boil it together with the bag. And for this one that firms the breast, you have to remove the bag and boil only the seed. It's only the seed that firms the breast, just like only the egg white firms the skin. The combination of the egg white and egg yolk does not firm the skin. So in this one, only the seed they out. It works. Now, when you boil it like this, you drink it. You can, like the quantity that I made, you can make more than that quantity. Okay, because you have to take it morning and night continuously for 7 days. For me, when I finish breastfeeding my baby, I'm gonna do it. All right, guys.